Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Thank you for stopping by. And I promise I'll be taking only a few minutes of your time to introduce you to this powerful app called Salam Audio. Now, growing up, I was addicted to rap music and even Bollywood. Hey, let's face it, I'm not the only one. I come from the generation that logged on to web using dial-up modem and listened to our favorite beats on cassette players. I'm not that old. And when a lot of us are going through that phase where we're turning towards Allah, we're given this alternative. So instead of listening to vulgar music or songs, listen to this. And guess what the alternative that I was given? Yep, a nasheed band that doesn't even speak English. See the pain that I went through? Now, I decided to just listen to the Quran, English translation of Quran. And guess what? It sounded like my English Shakespeare class.
Not the path of those who earn thine anger.
Later on in life, I finally discovered this thing called book. Now, don't get me wrong, Islamic lectures are awesome and they add a lot of value in our lives. But reading books can add a total different dimension to your learning. And so I read books, all types of books, Islamic books, motivational books, business books, and you name it. But I wish I had started this habit earlier. And during my college days, my first cell phone. Yep, parents, that's right. I have no idea why you're giving your 8-year-old a cell phone when I had my first cell phone when I was in college. I didn't have access to the apps and the whole world. The only distraction I had on my phone was this game called Snakes. Remember this, guys? Much better addiction than catching Pikachus. And if we were to listen to Islamic lectures in the car, we had to carry something like this. Now, as technology is making life easier for us, but because of this technology, a lot of distractions are coming in our lives. But this technology can be used for our own advantage if we use it properly. Now, I don't want the kids and youth in these days to be listening to the English translation of the Quran read by Shakespeare. Now, our sisters who are busy at home with our children, their hands are tied and they're not able to read Islamic books. So there must be an alternative so they can listen to these Islamic books while they're working. The same goes with our working brothers and sisters. I want that commute to be enjoyable. You should be waking up in the morning looking forward to that drive so you can be listening to your favorite Islamic book while you're driving, while you're commuting on the bus or train. Now, all these reasons compelled me to develop the website and app called Salam Audio. Salam Audio is an online library of Islamic books, courses, and lectures. You have the ability to track your progress for each book or course and have the ability to access it anytime by logging into your account from any device. Now, you must be asking, this sounds all great, but what kind of content am I expecting? For starters, English translation of the Holy Quran, 40 hadith, towards understanding Islam, which in my opinion is the best book for basic intro to Islam. Riyadus Saliheen's first book, which consists close to 700 ahadith. And here's the best part, it's absolutely free. There's course on parenting, lectures by various scholars and teachers on marriage, to topics targeted to youth and children. Basically, there's something for everyone at Salam Audio. Now here's the deal. This is not a pipe dream. This has already developed for both Apple and Android devices. You can go on Apple Store or iTunes and download Salam Audio app right away and get access to unlimited content for free. Absolutely free. You can create your account and right away start using it. Now you might be asking, okay, well, if the app is already developed, why am I here? Here's the deal, guys. I didn't want to come over here and say, this is a dream, please donate so we can make it happen. I wanted to make sure that there's something tangible for the users to experience, and now I need your help to take it to the next level. I'd spent my own time and money to develop Salam Audio app for both Apple and Android. On top of that, the content that was not readily available online, I had to create it myself. So I recorded 40 hadith, towards understanding Islam, the whole translation of English Quran, not in Shakespeare, but just the way I sound like. It took time, and with my full-time job, it is not possible for me to create more content. And on top of that, Islamic knowledge is not just for English-speaking people. It's for everyone. And you'll be surprised to know there's other languages spoken besides Urdu, Arabic, and Punjabi. Let's face it, guys, go and travel around the world and there's so many people out there who are missing the message of Islam because there's no content out there in their language. And I want to make sure that Islam Audio has content in as many languages as possible and take this at a global level, not just for North American or English speaking audience. Now, where does your money go? Right now, the version that is available on app stores is 100% functional, but there's always need for improvement. With my full-time job, I can only make limited amount of content, and I need to hire more people who can record audiobooks, lectures, different content in different languages so we can take Salam Audio globally. And on top of that, the user experience needs to be enhanced. I want to make sure that we move our apps and website to a faster server so users have a much enhanced experience and they're not waiting for the audio to load. And all of this costs money. Monthly, $300, $400 a month is just the server cost. And then on top of that, if you hire people, you have to pay them hourly. Then there's the editing cost. All of this takes time. And if you want more content in different languages, take Salam Audio at a global level, have the user experience much more enhanced, fix all the bugs that are in this app, we have to take it to the next level, and for which I cannot do by myself. I need help, and this is why I'm here for you guys to donate. And most important of all, I don't want to make $5 and $10 monthly subscription price for people to just listen to audio. I want to make sure that the Salam Audio is free for everyone in all the languages globally, worldwide, should be absolutely free. Now, can you imagine a free resource for Islamic audio books, lectures, and courses in multiple languages serving Muslims and non-Muslims globally? So brothers and sisters, my backers, I am counting on you. Let's make this happen. Let's make this dream a reality. Even if it's $1, do not be shy to even donate $1 because every little penny can count and make a difference. And not just in your life and your children's lives, but I'm talking taking Islam Audio at a global level, and inshallah, anybody who ends up listening to Salam Audio and benefit from the content that is out there, you will be getting reward for it because you're the one who supported this cause. And the least you can do right now is go to salamaudio.com, sign up for a free account, go to your app store, download the app and start benefiting from it, and share this app with other friends and family. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our efforts, forgive our sins, and unite us in Jannatul Firdaus, the highest level in paradise. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.